Hey, Thursday morning, let's roll. Markets higher. Fed meeting over. Meeting yesterday, big non-event. Fed came out, no change to rates, no change to their bond buying program yet. Indications they could do it here in the near future, but again, no firm timeline given. What does that mean? It means the market trades higher. Yesterday, we recover a lot of the losses, majority of the losses that we saw on Monday. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all up by 1% or more. We're seeing another 0.5% move higher in all the indices this morning. So a lot of strength on the back of that meeting yesterday. Also a lot of strength on the prospect that Evergrande in China, the big property developer, is going to make their bond payment today. So a lot of those fears that we saw Monday, no factor anymore. Markets trade higher. Dollar weaker this morning. Seeing the pound, seeing the euro, seeing the Aussie, all trade higher. Oil down about 0.5%, right around $71 a barrel in WTI. What do we got on tap today? Well, we've got jobless claims coming out this morning. We have some PMI data coming out this morning. It's Thursday. Let's get in there. Let's get after it. Let's have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow.